Okay, so picture in picture on the V1200. First thing you want to do, they're going to refer to it as a composition. You're going to come over here to video. You're going to then go to composition, and then we're going to do composition 2. And so you tell it the source. So in our case, we'll make it camera 2 will be the source. And then if I edit it, I can, tell it how big I want that picture in picture to be. I can tell it where I want it to be, and then make sure it's enabled. And when you're done with that, over here, right now you're on background, which just switches the picture like so. But if I want to do picture in picture, I turn on the composition. I make sure composition 2 is selected, which is the one we were editing. And now I've got picture in picture. And by the way, I had to select this twice. Not exactly sure why. I didn't spend a lot of time with that, but when I want to go back to the normal mode, I make sure I select background, and then I'm back. Looks like I forgot to turn my composition off before. So now I've got that off. Then I select background, and now I'm mixing again, just without the picture in picture. A little complicated, but that's how you do it on the V1200 from what I can tell. See ya.